study smart, because the world understands those who speak well.
Ready to practice your English? Here's how to get the most out of this video. Step 1. Find a quiet place and focus. Step 2. Watch the sentence, listen carefully. Step 3. Repeat out loud with confidence.
Hello, I'd like a table for 2, please. Can I see the menu, please? Do you have an English menu? What do you recommend? I'm ready to order. Can I order now? I'll have the chicken, please. Can I get a cheeseburger? I'd like the pasta. I'll take the same. Can I get this without onions? Is this dish spicy? Can you make it less spicy? Does this have nuts? I'm allergic to peanuts. I don't eat meat. I'm vegetarian. I'm vegan. I don't eat dairy. Can I have this without cheese? Can I get extra sauce? Can I change the fries for a salad? What's the soup of the day? What drinks do you have? I'll have a Coke, please. Can I get a bottle of water? Still or sparkling water? Just tap water, please. Can I see the wine list? I'd like a glass of red wine. Can I have a beer? What's the special today? Do you have any deals or combos? Can I have a kid's menu? What comes with this dish? How big is the portion? Can we share this dish? Can I have it to go? I'd like this for takeout. Is it okay to split the bill? We'd like separate checks. Can I pay with a card? Do you take credit cards? Do you accept cash? Is service included? Where is the restroom? Can we move to another table? Can we sit outside? Can we sit by the window? The food is delicious. This is very tasty. Everything is great, thank you. It's too salty. It's too spicy. It's a bit cold. This is not what I ordered. Can I speak to the manager? I'd like to make a complaint. The service was excellent. The waiter was very kind. Can we have the bill, please? Can I get the check? Could you bring the check, please? Can I get a receipt? Keep the change. Thank you very much. That was lovely, thanks. See you next time. I have a reservation. It's under the name John. We booked a table for 7 p.m. Do you have a table available? We'll wait at the bar. Can we see the dessert menu? What desserts do you have? I'll have the chocolate cake. Can I get ice cream? Can I have fruit instead? Do you have any vegan desserts? Is the coffee fresh? I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Can I get a tea? Do you have herbal tea? Can I get this to go? Is there a wait? How long is the wait? Can we order now? Can we get some water? Can I get more napkins? Can we have more forks? Can I have a spoon? Can I get another plate? Can I get more bread? Can we get some ketchup? Can I have some salt? Do you have hot sauce? Can I speak with the chef? Can I order the same again? That was amazing. We loved the food. Everything was perfect. This was too expensive. Do you have a lunch menu? What time do you close? Do you have free Wi-Fi? Is this seat taken? We're celebrating a birthday. Can we have a candle with the dessert? Can you sing Happy Birthday? Do you have high chairs? Can we see the menu again? I dropped my fork. Can I get another knife? Can I order for takeout? I'll wait here for my food. Can I order online? Do you deliver? Can I get extra napkins? Can we get the same again? Can you warm this up? Can I get this dish without garlic? Can I cancel that order? Can I add something to my order? Do you have gluten-free options? Is this dish halal? Is this kosher? I'm on a diet. I'm trying to eat healthy. Do you have low-fat options? Is this sugar-free? Do you use fresh ingredients? Is this made in-house? Do you have any organic food? Are the vegetables fresh?
Study smart, because the world understands those who speak well.